So the teaching and learning activity that I've designed is for my Chinese course, and it's advanced Chinese language and culture through movies and TV. And I have designed an activity that has to do with the movie or the video clips that I'm going to show in the class. And I'm going to have some debate and discussion with the video clips as well. And the purpose of the activity is to make sure the students will remember some advanced Chinese grammar and vocab, and also they're going to learn about Chinese culture and traditions, and also they're going to compare their misconceptions, what they have heard, what they have imagined with the real Chinese culture that they're going to learn. They will also think critically because they're going to be engaged in a debate in Chinese, and they will apply their knowledge of the culture and of the language to their own lives as well, in terms of reflection. So basically, the materials that are needed in order to realize those goals are a vocab and grammar study sheet, and a worksheet as well that has to that they have to do during the video clips, and of course finding the right movies, the video clips, and an optional list of discussion questions and a list of debating topics. So on day one, students will get the list of the vocab and grammar like in advance for the video clips, and they will be asked to think about how the movie would develop, what subject will the movie cover. And the purpose is to have them think about the things that they already know about, the things that they already learn about, the topics, some of the misconceptions, the preconceptions, and also they'll just be more familiar with the language points, once they have the vocab sheet, the grammar sheet, so it's easier for them to understand. And on day two, they will be watching the video clips while filling out some classroom vocab worksheets. So while watching the movie, they will be filling out the blanks. And right after the clips, they will form a group of 3 or 4 people, and they will discuss like how is it different from what they have imagined, the certain cultural aspects. And they'll be conducting other discussions in Chinese as well. And they'll be taking notes, and they'll do a little comparative skit show actually in the next class. So like in the beginning of the next class, they will just come back here and show us or actually perform to us what they thought was true of the Chinese culture, just in the form of a little skit show and what was really happening. And on day two, in addition to that, they will also be asked to prepare like 1 to 2 questions of their interest that has to do with the movie, so that they can discuss about the movie like in depth as well on the next day, on day 3. Also, as part of their assignment, they will also prepare for open class debate on some topics that I will hand out as well in Chinese. And they will be asked to write down the arguments and the new vocab, some of the new vocab that will be useful for them in the debate. So on day 3, they will start with the discussions and the skit shows, and they will move on to the debate. Preferably I'll prepare some controversial topics so that they can debate about it, and they will have done some research the day before already. Now, and after the debate, I will also ask them to use Google Docs to compile a list of the new vocab that they have learned while preparing for the debate. And that's basically what I'm going to do, and I'm going to assess them also just in terms of the activities that we will be doing and the results of the activities. So they will have the arguments and new vocabularies that they prepare for the debate, and they will also be presenting the sketch shows. Um, and also we will have a Google Docs vocab list, which is the compilation of the group work of the whole class, not only in the individual work but also the group work, which is kind of forward-looking assessment, so that they can learn a lot from it, from everyone in the class. Also, I'm gonna assess their memory of the new vocab through some games like charades or bingo that are commonly used in language teaching. So yeah, so this is my goal, and this is the activity that I've designed for them.